Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to move that out of the way. All right. So now we're going to look at these questions. So find the value of x so the function has the given value. Now we have an equation, 6x plus 9, but our outcome is 21. So we've got to figure out what does x have to equal in order for this equation to equal 21. Okay. So this is just like taking your 21 and replacing it for your f of x. So you're going to replace your 21 for f of x. So you can say replace the output, which the output in this case is 21, for f of x. And then solve for x. So all this is saying is that our outcome is 21. Now we've got to figure out what x has to equal in order to make that true. So this just goes into a two-step equation. I don't know why I have a 2 there. So x is going to equal, so we did 21 minus 9, then divide by 6, and x is going to equal 2. So your final answer technically will look like this. F of 2 when f of 2 is going to equal 21. And they might, depending on the question, they might just say solve for x. But a lot of times we'll rewrite it back into function notation, meaning this is what they were looking for. Okay. Okay, so let's look at our graph down here. Again, remember the value inside the f of x. These are representing your x values. So f of negative 3 at negative 3, now these aren't numbered, I apologize, but 1, 2, 3, what is the y value?
2.
Good. So that's going to be 2. F of 1, positive 1, make sure you go to positive 1. And is that 2 also? No. 1, 2, yep. That looks like 2. Okay. F of 0. When x is 0, y is going to be 5. And then when f is 2, 1, 2, y is going to be, it looks close there, but it looks like it's right there. So the negative 3. So again, these turn into ordered pairs. This is your x and this is your y. That's your x and that's your y. So when 1 is your input, they'll get 2 as your output. When 2 is your input, they'll get negative 3 as your output. So first of all, is this linear? Nope, not linear. Is it a function? Okay, so like I said, a lot of terminology for this first unit. So let's look at this. F of x represents the what values? Represents the x value on the x-axis. And then you just scroll up or down until you hit the function and look at the y-axis. You look at your y values. Okay. Okay, I'm going to zoom out so then you can take a screenshot if you're taking screenshots. Let me see if I can. There's a lot to this. Can you guys see that? Okay, there we go. Take a screenshot if you're taking a screenshot. You see my granddaughter's messy room there. So. Okay, so let's put that first page up. I know Ryan was asking that. Can I do that? I think it was Ryan. Or wasn't somebody needed that first page. Okay, I'm going to stop recording.